If your PC has suddenly become slow, don't reinstall Windows just yet. There's actually a hidden tool built into Windows that can tell you what's causing the slowdown. Let me show you. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. In the box, type perfmon/report. Then press Enter. That's it. Now Windows starts collecting information about your system. This usually takes about 60 seconds. While it's running, Windows is checking your CPU, memory, storage, startup programs, drivers, and system services. Think of it as a full health check for your computer. Here's where it gets interesting. Most people try to guess what's making their PC slow. This tool doesn't guess. It shows you exactly where the problem might be. When the report appears, look at the warning section first. This is where Windows lists issues it has detected. For example, you might see a service that failed to start, a driver problem, an application using too many resources, or hardware-related warnings. Next, scroll through the System Diagnostics report. You'll find detailed information about processor usage, memory consumption, disk performance, network activity, and startup applications. If a program is consuming an unusual amount of resources, you'll often find clues here. One of the most useful parts of this report is that it helps you stop guessing. If you found this useful, subscribe for more hidden Windows tools, commands, and productivity tricks.